code, a system of words, letter, symbol, or used in is known as code. And the purpose of the code is to develop the ideas into a reality. It is a line that to instruct the machines or computers to make perform it better. And when you are interested, the coding is very simple to learn, and the code is helps to making websites and apps also. Why do we use coding? We use coding for communicating with computers and machines and creating applications, websites also. Nowadays, coding is very popular in the world. We use code in computer and Android also. We use more platforms like Android and computer, but computer is best to use. Programming and coding is similar. First, what is programming? Programming is the process of creating a set of instructions to tell a computer to perform the given instruction. Programming can be done a variety of programming languages such as JavaScript, Python, C++, and programming languages often used to build websites and softwares and data. And coding is the process of writing programs from a language to other. Programming is the process of program a computer to perform instruction to computer. Hence, coding is also a subset of programming.